Hey guys, Justin with Horizon Structures here. We're excited to announce that our Barndominium here on site is completed. So this is a 5-stall barn with a full upstairs living area. So let's go check it out. So as we take a look at this barn, you'll notice that the first floor is very similar to a lot of our standard barns. So this is a center aisle barn, very similar to our monitor style. So you'll have stalls on either side with a 14-foot aisleway, sliding doors on both ends, and a lot of unique features added in. So on the inside of the stall doors, you'll have our standard latches that'll latch right up at the top. As an optional upgrade, you can do Dutch doors in the rear of each stall. This will allow the horses to exit the barn without actually having to come into the center aisle. And individual stalls can exit into different paddocks as well in the pasture. So the tack room is going to be very similar to a lot of our center aisle barns. This is going to be a 12 by 12 tack room with a plywood floor. The exterior walls are going to be oak framed, and the back side of your LP siding will be the walls on the interior as well. This barn came in 3 sections. The sections were built here at our facility. A crane was brought in. The top section was craned on site, and any overhangs, the deck was built on site by our crew, as well as installing any doors or anything like that as well on the exterior to really finish up the full project of the barn. So now the unique aspect of this barn is the upstairs living area. So let's go check it out. So for the entrance, you do have a 14 by 8 composite decking with aluminum railing. You have a small overhang here on the front side to provide some shade. You can do a grill area, anything out front here. So let's go check out the inside. So as we come from the deck into the living area, one thing that'll jump out at you is just how big it feels in here. It feels very spacious. Our design team did a great job with the full design. You get a full kitchen in here as well. All of your appliances are included in the package, your fridge, stove. You can do a washer dryer downstairs in the tack room with a water heater. All of your water hookups run to the downstairs into the aisle. Within the layouts that we offer, there are a few unique features that you can do to make this Barndominium uniquely yours. You're able to choose your cabinet color, your flooring color. You can also choose between our pine and birch package. What you see here is going to be a birch wood that is painted. You can also do a natural pine that's clear coated. So now that you've seen the living area and the kitchen area, let's go check out the rest of the space. So what you see here is our standard bathroom package for our modern birch. You have a full walk-in shower, beautiful vanity, exhaust fan, small bathroom closet. Just feels very spacious in here. You would have no idea you're on top of a horse barn. As you step into the bedroom, one thing that jumps out again is just the amount of space that you have in here. You do have a bedroom closet. You do have room for a king bed as well. There is plenty of room on each side of the bed. Lots of natural light in here, a large window. You have a head unit in here for your heat and AC, as well as your living space area. The separation between your horse barn and your living area is going to be fully insulated. You have a full spray foam from top to bottom of the interior of the apartment space. It almost feels like you're in a beautiful apartment and not on top of your horse's home. One of the things that we love the most about the Barndominium is just the flexibility. We've seen a lot of people have interest in using them for temporary housing solutions as they build their dream home. You can use this as an in-law suite, even an office space. Lots of things about this design that allow you to use it for your needs. Overall size is 38 by 36. You have 5 12 by 12 stalls down below, as well as a 12 by 12 tack room. Your total living room area is going to be 14 by 36. We do have a few other designs as well. Check out our website to view a few more of our designs. Our smallest being our barnette, which is a 3-stall barn with a tack room, and our largest being our farmhouse, which is 6 stalls, a tack room, and a feed room. Contact us today to get started with your design.